back to my channel. My name is May, also known as Miss Leva, and today we have a how-to styling video, and I gotta say these are one of my favorite types of videos to film. I just kind of love having my own input on like fashion and style and giving you guys tips or just giving you my ideas on how to make certain looks work. So for that reason, today's video is how to style black for summer. I feel like you think summer and you automatically think bright, bold colors and like bright, bold prints. And don't get me wrong, I love those looks from time to time for specific occasions. But you guys know I am a lover of black, and I think black can go well during the whole year. So I was actually chatting with my YouTube, Instagram friend Mel, and we actually came up with this idea and we wanted to collaborate together on this video. So this video is in collaboration with Mel. I'll make sure to link all her information down below so you guys can go ahead and check her out. And if you are coming from Mel's channel, hi, I hope you enjoy my perspective and my tips on how you can incorporate black during the summer season. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how Mel is going to incorporate her pieces and what her tips will be, because she normally has a very girly but edgy look to her, which I absolutely think she pulls off fantastic. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. And my idea is to kind of share with you pieces that I feel you should have in your wardrobe in order to complete the outfits for summer. And then I will also be giving you some outfit inspiration in order to incorporate these pieces throughout the video. Now before we jump into the list that I came up with, I wanted to share an honorable mention, and that is nail polishes. All of these are from Orly, not because of anything in particular, but I do feel like Orly does the best neon colors. So I feel like this is a part where you can kind of have fun with. You can, you know, go bold on your nails and then just keep it very neutral for the rest of the outfit. All right, so my first tip is to incorporate the summer category into your accessories. And for that, I do have a couple of pieces here that I wanted to show you. I have talked about this bag a few times, so I'm gonna be short and sweet about it, but I love this PVC style bag. First, I think a small bag is ideal just because it is the summer, so it's warmer out. You don't wanna be carrying a very large bag. And I just think that this one in particular is perfect with the black because it's not a pop of color, but it does have a sort of uniqueness to it that will stand out with your outfit. And then another huge trend that we've seen this year is anything raffia. So for that reason, I have these heels here, and these are from Target. Guys, anything that I can link down below for you, I will. And if not, I'll make sure to find similars. What I do is if it's not the exact same item, I always write similar beside it so you guys know that it is a little bit different. But these are from Target, and I am obsessed with these heels, you guys. I've been wearing them non-stop during the spring season, so I'm definitely taking them into the summer. The fact that they have the clear straps are really nice, especially to go with the black. And they do need a little bit of a break-in. Maybe first and second time that you wear them, you will feel a little bit of pain on your pinky toe, but after that, they're good to go. And then they do have this beautiful raffia detail heel here, which I think is perfect to incorporate with your black look because this here screams summer. And then last but not least are a couple of acrylic bamboo style bracelets. I recently ran into these on Amazon and I fell in love. They have a ton of different colors to choose from and to add in order to build your little stacks. But of course, knowing me, I went the neutral route because even though we're already wearing all black, I didn't want to go too extra with the color selection of the bracelets. And I just wanted them to match as well with other outfits that I have planned for my summer vacations. So for that reason, I chose these colors here, but I think they're absolutely stunning. I just think that by adding nice statement accessories into your all black look, and I really feel like by adding summer related pieces like a statement earring or some statement bracelets, a few raffia pieces into your outfit, your look will be complete even though you're wearing all black for summer. All right, now following on with my next tip on how to incorporate black for summer, and that is to wear lighter fabrics. I am a huge fan of linen. I live in Miami, so it's pretty warm all year long. But for summer specifically, I love having a couple of good linen tops and shorts. I will show you the ones that I added this year, and it is these two right here. This one is from Old Navy, and I just love the girly details that it has with the embroidery here on the sleeves, and then just a couple of flower prints throughout. And this one is just a very simple basic one from H&M, and it's perfect. I've used it as a full-on shirt, and I've also used it as a beach cover-up. Our summers here are brutal. They get very, very hot. So I love having a linen option just because it is a top that I could dress up and still look elegant in, but at the same time, it has that flowy feel to it, and I just think it's perfect for an all black look. Now, the third tip I have for incorporating black into your summer wardrobe is to show some skin. And with that, we're gonna lean into dresses. So I have a few here, particularly this one, and then this other one, which I've had since last year, I think. I got this one for a steal at H&M, so I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but I'll make sure to find something very similar. And this is a 2-in-1 because not only is it a dress, but it's also a linen material, so it comes in perfect for the summer season. But this one I did add recently, and this one is from Shein. I love this dress. It's so sexy. It has like the cutout details, which is very trendy right now in 2022. I really like it because even though it is a long dress, the fact that you do have those cutout details makes it really wearable for summer. A cute little mini dress is perfect just because you're still gonna look very put together, because with one dress, your whole outfit is basically done, and then you can add certain pieces here and there. But at the same time, you're not gonna be wearing something that's too heavy, that's just gonna make you very hot and very uncomfortable. So I really do feel like dresses are perfect for the summer season. And then last but not least, another tip that I wanted to share with you that is ideal to incorporate with your all black look is some bright colors. So I do have here this beautiful bright pink blazer. I actually found it at J. Crew this weekend, and I could not say no to it. It was like discounted over discounted, so I almost got it for like 50% off. And it is so stunning. I'll try and find it for you guys and link it down below, but if not, I'm sure I can find some really good dupes as well. So I do feel, as I said with the nail polish, if you're keeping your outfit all black, you could have fun in the part of adding colors. So for that reason, I also say that if you have a statement piece, you can go ahead and incorporate it. You can do a blazer like this one for a more dressy look, but you can also throw on over like a cotton shirt. There's a ton of those out there in the market now that are very bright. They have the greens, they have the blues, they have the pinks. So just throw it on over your full-on black look, and that just will add a little bit of a pop to it and just make it perfect for the summer season. All right, everyone, so there we have it. Those were the tips that I wanted to share with you and what I basically do whenever I'm putting together a black outfit for summer. So don't forget to head on over to Mel's channel and check out her tips on how to incorporate black into the summer season. As I mentioned, you guys know I love black. I mean, I think this rack speaks for itself. But I really just feel like it's very easy to put together an all black look and then just switch up your accessories, switch up the handbag that you're using, maybe add a pop of color for your earrings or a statement piece. And that overall just completes the whole look, and you can incorporate that same outfit over and over again into different seasons. So I hope you enjoyed the little tips that I came up with. Let me know down below which one was your favorite and which you incorporate into your summer wardrobe. Are you an all black dresser too, or are you more adventurous? I feel like Mel's style is very adventurous. She loves adding colors throughout every season, and I love seeing it on her. And then I go into a fitting room, I try to recreate her look, and I'm like, oh no, I can't. I feel like when you find your own style, you know how to make it work, and you just add your own little trendy pieces here and there. And once again, if you are coming over from Mel's channel, say hi to me down below in the comment section. If you haven't already, I would love for you to consider subscribing if you are new around here. And as always, thank you all so much for taking some time out of your day to watch today, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.